Choosing a keyboard by looks alone can hide the biggest trade-off. This countdown compares mechanical keyboards by features, setup fit, and value, so research-minded buyers can see which options match their needs. We will break down the strengths and compromises of 5 popular picks and reveal the #1 choice after comparing what actually matters before buying. At number 5, this AULA option enters with flexibility, worth examining. AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard focuses on a compact setup with wireless connection choices and customization features. Its 75% hot swappable design, knob, RGB backlit lighting, pre-lubed Reaper switches, and side-printed PBT keycaps create a feature-rich package. It is best for buyers whose use case matches its listed strengths. Skip it if you need the exact advantage highlighted by a higher-ranked option. With a 4.65 rating from 1,752 reviews, this keyboard fits shoppers who want a customizable option while comparing feature priorities carefully. Number 4 brings another compact contender where connection options matter most. AULA F75 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard stands out through its wireless connectivity mix and compact format. It includes hot swappable functionality, pre-lubed linear switches, 2.4 GHz, Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and RGB backlighting. It is best for buyers whose use case matches its listed strengths. Avoid it if you need the exact advantage highlighted by a higher-ranked option. Rated 4.6/5 across 2,440 reviews, this model is a strong match for shoppers comparing compact keyboards and deciding which features deserve priority in their setup. RGB and switch choices are only part of the decision. The remaining picks reveal where layout, flexibility, and value separate contenders. Taking the third spot, this RK option changes the layout conversation. RK Royal KLUDGE R98 Pro Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The RK Royal KLUDGE R98 Pro Wired Mechanical Keyboard separates itself with a 96% layout, number pad, and volume knob, while keeping customization features in focus. It offers RGB backlighting, gasket mount construction, MDA profile PBT keycaps, and hot swappable pre-lubed linear switches. It is best for buyers whose use case matches its listed strengths. Skip it if you need the exact advantage highlighted by a higher-ranked option. With a 4.65 rating and 739 reviews, it suits shoppers who value a fuller layout while comparing feature trade-offs. Runner-up time reveals a practical alternative with a different priority. Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired. The Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired earns attention with programmable lighting choices and hot swappable red switches. It features 11 programmable backlit modes, anti-ghosting, double-shot PBT keycaps, and compatibility for PC and Mac. This is the best alternative for buyers whose priorities differ from the overall winner. Skip it if you want the simplest one-choice recommendation. With a 4.35 rating from 6,751 reviews, it remains a practical option for shoppers comparing customization, typing preferences, and everyday setup needs before choosing. The top pick arrives with the broadest balance for many buyers. RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard leads this comparison by balancing a full 104-key layout with practical gaming-focused features. It includes RGB LED backlighting, blue switches, durable ABS keycaps, anti-ghosting, spill-resistant design, and ultra-slim construction for PC, Mac, and Xbox gamers. It is the clear pick for buyers who want the strongest all-round final choice. Avoid it if a specific feature or lower current price matters more than the overall verdict. Rated 4.55 from 3,331 reviews, it matches shoppers seeking a straightforward feature balance. The final decision rule is simple. Choose the RisoPhy if you want the strongest all-round balance, but consider other options when a specific layout, wireless feature, or customization priority matters more. Compare the decisive feature differences in the links after the evidence summary, and subscribe for more practical Buyer Lab comparisons.